Yes, sir. We are back, man. You guys seen the thumbnail and the title. We got to talk about what happened today on the Nike SNKRS app and what other possible shock drops and restocks we could see potentially within the next upcoming week. So stay tuned, sit back, and enjoy the rest of the video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys tap in, see some of the latest content from your boy The Vintage. I've been going for the last 3-4 days now. I've just been sitting back, you know what I'm saying, reflecting on some of the things that we could change or what we could implement on the channel. Don't want to put out any bad content to you guys, so always wait to see what happens so we can come up on YouTube and chop it up and talk about what's going on in the sneaker community, man. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like. If you don't subscribe to the channel, at least leave a huge like on the channel. That will help us grow, to help put us in our algorithm, and we can get more people part of the Vintage game. You guys already know, man, all my social media links will be down below in the description box, along with my clothing brand Shop NOIR. So if you guys can go tap in to a couple of pieces that we have available for y'all, go tap in, support your boy's clothing brand, and hey, we're gonna continue to grow all 2023. All right, so like I said, man, we gonna talk about this sneakers live that happened today, the heating up show, whatever you want to call it. First and foremost, I just want to put out front what actually did restock: the Nike SB Lobsters, which I did not expect. You know, usually when we get restocks, you know, people put it out a little bit before the time. Like even me, if I hear a restock happen, I will come up on YouTube, tell you guys like, oh, the orange lobsters are dropping. But this time I knew nothing about it at all. We've been hearing about restocks for the lost and founds. We've been hearing about restocks for the concept orange lobsters, but we didn't see anything leading up to the live. You know, some people could put two and two together like, hold on, they might be doing a little restock or a shock drop on this live stream on the Nike SNKRS app, and you know, nobody pretty much guessed it. But today it definitely did happen. The orange lobsters restocked on the Nike SNKRS app. Did not expect it at all, along with a pair of Travis Scotts. Like, why would they drop a concept orange lobster and a Travis Scott in the same day? I don't know. I couldn't believe it. Just first and foremost, I couldn't even get into the dang on live. Like, I had to go outside. I got on the Wi-Fi, got off the Wi-Fi, and I was unable to actually, you know, even try to watch the video. I couldn't even watch the live stream. So I already knew that was a huge L for your boy. I couldn't get on there. Every time I seen, you know, people tweeting, people tagging me and different stuff, I didn't even know what was going on. I didn't know if the restock was real. I thought people was capping, but it definitely did happen. So if you guys do not follow me over on Twitter, make sure you guys go follow me right now. I feel like I was a little bit behind the power curve today just because, like I said, I didn't even know if it was solid because I could not get into the dang old sneakers live. I don't know what was going on. Now, something the Nike SNKRS app needs to do is fix whatever issue they have when it is limited restocks, you know, shock drops and stuff like that, because it don't give everybody the fair opportunity to even go in and enter for a pair of sneakers. Like, not let alone just even watch the live stream. Like, I can't even watch the live stream, let alone try to put in for some shoes. It's crazy. Nike needs to do something about it. I thought they would have, you know, fixed a little bit. After the Air Jordan 1 lost and found drop, that was like the worst release that I can remember in the past, 6-7 years of me buying sneakers. I've never experienced something as terrible as lost and found drop. And then we get to drops like this little random restocks and stuff like that. And you can't even watch the live stream because people probably was in the back door. They knew that these joints were loaded on the back end and said, you know what, we're gonna spam as many users as we can, go ahead and submit our little spot into the live stream. And people ended up cooking these pairs. I don't know if it was bots. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was just a lot of people entered the app and you could not get into it. I don't know what happened. That's a multi-billion dollar company. So you would think that they would be able to prevent, you know, issues and errors and stuff like that during these live streams, during these restocks, during these shock drops, and even the initial drop of sneakers. I don't know what the hell is going on with Nike, but you gotta fix it, man. I did think potentially, since, you know, we do have the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens coming out this week or next week. I think it's this week, and then we have the Air Jordan 13 playoffs dropping in the next couple of weeks. I thought they was going to shock drop those pairs. They did not at all. I heard they did talk about them, but they didn't, you know, do anything as far as restock shock drops. But I can definitely see something happening with the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, just given the significance in the sneaker community, given the history that Jordan put in them joints. So I'm pretty sure, like I said, we're gonna see some type of, you know, little shock drop or exclusive access for the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. That's going to be one of them pairs that sits. It's going to be mass produced Not a lot of people respect 13s. Not a lot of people even buy 13s. So it might be something that they, you know, try to hype up by giving exclusive access, putting in a little shock drop or something like that. Just get the name, the playoff back out there, get people hyped up about it, get people anticipating the sneaker. And that's something I would do if I was Nike. I know I get super salty every time I do try to enter for these little restocks, like the orange lobsters. Like, bruh, you know, I'm bad. I want that pair. Potentially could be having that pair coming in soon. Y'all stay tuned. If y'all still watching, you might see something very, very shortly. So just stay tuned for all that by subscribing, hit the notification bell. But that's a pair that I did want when it initially dropped. You guys already know they dropped on Concepts. I think they dropped on Concepts twice, along with the Nike SNKRS app via a draw. L's all across the board, along with the Travis Scott Air Maxes. Like, I never even put that much energy towards the Air Max Travis Scotts because I didn't really like them. But when you get pairs like that, that puts you an opportunity to, you know, go on Trade Block, go on IG, tell people you're willing to trade that pair or sell it and get something else that you really want, because those shoes do hold value. I'm not saying it's a crazy resale value on either the orange lobsters or the Travis Scotts. People just want them because of the name. People want them because of the colorway. People love them because of SBs, you know, this and that. Just because of the hype around the shoe doesn't mean that the resale price has to be astronomical. So I wasn't too salty about the Travis Scotts, but I was salty about the Nike SB orange lobsters, because I want to get them joints, the green lobsters, the purple lobsters, and I think there's another pair that I've been eyeing, or just, you know, checking out, seeing what other colorways Concepts came out with, and I want to get the whole fleet. I want all of them. So yeah, guys, a couple more little shock drops or exclusive accesses that might be spread out. It's one, the Air Jordan 13 playouts. The review and on feet will be coming very, very shortly. Give you guys a little early look. Then we're gonna spin it up and do the on feet for you guys, so you can check them out, seeing if you're really liking them, seeing if you know what I'm saying, you're gonna live up to the hype, keep that same energy with the playoff Air Jordan 13s. Another shoe I could possibly see them doing something for is the Air Jordan 1 high 85 in that black and white panda colorway. I don't think that's going to be a shoe that's going for a lot of money, but I do think a lot of people like that high 85 cut. So Nike's like, you know what, let's go ahead and just spread exclusive access here and there, because it's been quiet in sneakers these last couple weeks. Nothing's really been dropping, and that's why you don't see a lot of people on Twitter, on Instagram talk about anything, except for the stuff that's coming out months later, because January was a very, very slow month, and now we're heading into February, and it's definitely starting to heat up as far as Jordan releases. I know you guys want to rant, talk all type of crap about Nike SNKRS app, what happened today. I'm all here for it. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what happened, and let me know if you hit on a pair of either one of the sneakers. I know me myself, I struck out on everything that restocked because I couldn't even get onto the live stream. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. And please leave a huge like onto today's video. That would be greatly, greatly appreciated. More content on the way. You guys are going to be seeing something very, very crazy soon. That's all I'm going to say. Stay tuned for all that by hitting the notification bell. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. And like I said, let me know if you hit on anything on the sneakers live today, man. Catch you guys next one. Peace.